Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming two essentials: a working iPhone and an alternate email you can access. Once ready, open Safari and pick a private tab. This helps avoid Google detecting previous accounts. Next, go to Accounts. Google, and tap Create Account, choose for myself. You will be prompted for name and username. Enter them now. Make sure to use a strong password of 12 or more characters, and tap Next so we can avoid phone verification in the next steps. When Google asks for a phone number, look for the Skip or Use My Email instead option. Choose Recovery Email to prove identity. If the mobile form hides that choice, switch Safari to Request Desktop Site. This reveals alternate flows. Once done, fill birthdate and gender fields honestly. Unusual data can trigger phone checks, so keep it typical. If Google still insists on a number, clear site data or enable a VPN to change your apparent location. Then retry the Create Account flow. Finish by verifying the recovery email. Open that message and click the confirmation link. This substitutes for a phone check and secures your account. Once created, make sure to add two-step verification using an authenticator app rather than SMS, because that prevents future phone prompts. If Google still blocks creation, pause and retry after 24 to 48 hours from a different IP or device. Sometimes rate limits or recent sign-up patterns cause mandatory phone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.